Hi all, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn some common opposite phrasal verbs. Pick up, to lift from the ground. Put down, to put on the ground. Put on, to wear something. Take off, to remove something worn. Sit down, to lower yourself to a seated position. Stand up, to rise from a seated position to an upright position. Get on, to get onto a large vehicle like bus, train or aircraft. Get off, to leave a bus, train or aircraft. Get in, to enter a place or vehicle. Get out, to leave a place or vehicle. Check in, to register one's arrival as at a hotel, work or airport. Check out, to leave a hotel after paying and returning your room key. Turn up, to increase the flow, volume, etc. Turn down, to reduce the flow, volume, brightness, etc. Speed up, accelerate or go faster. Slow down, decelerate, reduce speed, go more slowly. Turn on, to start something. Turn off, to stop something. Eat in, have a meal at home rather than in a restaurant. Eat out, have a meal in a restaurant. Come in, to arrive somewhere or to be received. Go out, leaving home, participating in social activities. Fill up, to make something completely full. Empty out, completely removing the contents of something. Pick up, to answer a phone call. Hang up, to end a telephone conversation. Doze off, to fall asleep. Wake up, to become conscious after sleeping. Take off, leave the ground. Touch down, land on the ground or runway. Put together, make something by fitting parts together. Take apart, dismantle or separate components. Build up, to construct gradually. Tear down, to completely destroy or demolish. Move in, arrive in a new home or office. Move out, leave your home, office for another one. Look up to, admire. Look down on, consider as inferior. Run out of, have no more of something. Stock up, to buy or get a large quantity of something for future use. Go away, go to another place for a period of time. Come back, return to the place you left. Break up, end a relationship. Make up, end a quarrel and become friends again. Pick up, collect something or someone. Drop off, drive someone somewhere. Pass out, faint or lose consciousness. Come to, regain consciousness. That's all for today. Kindly consider subscribing and sharing with your friends. Thanks for watching.